on episode 3, I think it was, of Russ Cam out in Vegas. We keep hooking up in these great locations, huh?
We got Vegas, we got the beach in Pensacola. Oh my gosh. It rocks, man.
How's that poker app doing that you wrote?
I got it out there in the marketplace, and
Yeah.
people have downloaded it. I don't think you'll be able to really retire on the income from it, but it's got a cool little application.
You're having fun though, right?
I'm having fun, man. That's what it's all about.
It's one small step for man.
My name is Kevin Wolf. I'm out of Tampa, Florida. I'm actually a Windows Phone Development MVP. I have my own company, Software Logistics LLC, and what we do is we work with companies to help kind of define and implement a mobile strategy for what they want to do to take their company onto these little mobile devices.
Oh, that's great. And boy, what a venue we have here. Look at this beach. Oh man, this is actually on the Gulf, the bay side of Pensacola, the causeway here, and the other side over there is the Gulf of Mexico, right? And boy, it's just a beautiful venue, huh?
Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Just can't thank Carl enough for pulling this thing together. This just rocks. We're up here for SQL Saturday 77.
Oh baby. And you had a special kind of like a pre-event today, didn't you?
I did. We did a pre-conference where I gave a full day of Windows Phone 7 training. What we did was we actually built a rock, paper, scissors application that worked between phones.
Hey, you want to grab your phone out of your pocket, show everybody the newest app you just downloaded?
I sure can, absolutely. So Russ and I were talking, I don't know where we were talking about it, probably over some type of adult cocktail or something like that, about an application as a mobile developer switching between the different environments for writing software. So the application that Russ wrote, called the Mobile Dev Megapaps Shortcut application, will allow me to go in and look up how I do the kind of different shortcuts for the different platforms I'm working on.
Oh, that's great.
It
That's
is an
cool.
awesome application. Oh my gosh.
I'm Louis Erickson. I'm Chief Operations Officer at BitWizards. BitWizards does custom software development, web design, and IT consulting. I'm really looking forward to a lot of the Azure presentations, so we've been heavy into that, and so I'm looking to pick up from others, and I'm also looking forward to the Windows Mobile's presentation from you and Joe this afternoon.
Oh yeah, that'll be fun.
Yeah, we ventured off and got our own app up there as well, kind of to play with, to kind of learn it, cut our teeth with our own stuff in case we get asked by clients. We always want to stay on the cutting edge. So.
Well, it's funny. I was talking to Jason Milligren of Linkster, and he was saying, his prediction, it was just like in the late 90s, every company had to have a website, and now every company is going to have a mobile app. Yeah, and it's going to be exploding, I think.
It really is. It really is, and the technology is getting so good. In fact, I just saw a preview of Windows 8, and that was looking really awesome too. We've been doing a lot of Azure work. We've deployed. We were the first company in the U.S. to deploy CMS. We deployed Kintico content management system with 12 websites that we initially started. And we're actually trying to get rid of our entire private rack and move everything to Azure. So,
oh, really?
Yeah. So
that's cool. Well, some of our components at GrapeCity do support Azure now. We got Active Reports and Active Analysis, both support Azure. So we're in that ball game as well. So
absolutely, yeah. And the Active Reports is a big component of what we use for reporting. Using these third-party tools makes development a lot quicker and a lot slicker. You don't want to reinvent the wheel every time. Yeah. So if you can pull these components and bring value to your clients, so we're big proponents of these of the third-party tools, and Active Reports is one of our core tool sets. We've been using Active Reports for years now, back when Data Dynamics had, and now since GrapeCity has picked it up. And it's a fantastic tool. Rather than reinventing the wheel, we get all this great functionality right out of the box. And so you get slick, easy reports for your clients, giving them real business value without taking a ton of development time in order to build these reports.
Yeah, I know. Originally, you said you were looking at Crystal reports, and now it looks.
Yeah, when BitWizards has been in business for 11 years. So back in 2000 we started. Crystal was a big portion of it, and I think it was 2002, 2003 when we were looking at Active Reports. It was just a much easier tool. As it's evolved, we don't really use Crystal much at all. It's pretty much exclusively Active Reports. We do some SQL Server reporting services as well, and Active Reports, that's pretty much the mainstay of our reporting capabilities.
Well, that's great. I'll have to come up to your user group sometime there in Fort Walton. Maybe we'll do a session on active reports or active analysis. And
Absolutely. We'd love to have you, and I know this is great information, and yeah, I'm definitely interested in hearing more about the active analysis tool, which we weren't familiar with.